Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Google account currently signed into Google Play. This ensures you know what will change. Once done, make sure your new Google account email is created and verified so purchases and data can be linked. Now open the Google Play app and tap the profile icon in the top right corner to access account settings. This first action moves you from preparation into the actual transfer or account switch process. You'll add or switch accounts next. Tap the profile avatar, then the down arrow and choose Add another account to sign in. Follow the sign-in flow, complete verification steps, and accept permissions so the new email is recognized by Google Play. This links the account to device services. After signing in, return to the Play avatar menu and select the newly added email to make it active. That change tells Play which account to use for app. You finish by confirming payment methods, subscriptions, and family library settings under the new Google Play account so billing and access are correct. If apps or purchases don't appear, reinstall apps or use App Restore to associate them with the new email. This ensures data continuity. If problems persist, clear the Google Play Store cache and data, or remove, and re-add the account on the device. These steps usually resolve syncing errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.